Alright guys, so to get started, head over to the starting replit file, which you'll be able to find in the course resources. And you should see a pretty much empty file, as well as 3 to-dos for you to complete. All I've got here is a list of 3 words, aardvark, baboon, and camel, and we're going to be choosing a random word from that list, and then we're going to ask the user to guess a letter, and then we're going to check if that letter matches one of the letters in the chosen word. So we're basically just tackling the first part of this flowchart up to about here. Once you've completed all 3 to-dos here, you should have something that will function more or less like this. So this is the end result of step 1, and it should ask us to guess a letter. So let me try A, and it shows me that this A matches with the first letter in the word as well as the 4th letter in the word. So I'm pretty sure that the word that it picked randomly was actually aardvark. Essentially, your code is going to loop through each of the letters in the chosen word and then check it against the word that the user entered and report back whether if it matched any of the letters in the word. Now, if you need a hint, then head over to the course resources and you'll see a link that's marked as hint. And once you click on it, it'll take you to this page where it talks about how to use the for loop with a list in Python. Have a read through the section and then go back, try to tackle the to-dos and see if that helps you. All right, so have a play around with the final version, and once you're ready, go ahead, fork a copy of the starting file for day 7, step 1, and tackle the to-dos one by one. Good luck.